On the very bottom, there's a screw right in the center of the housing for the filter. Some people will just loosen it up just enough like I'm doing here to pop the filter out. Just remember, when you crank on the bolts, just snug them up. Don't go crazy hard tight on them. You don't want to pop that plastic. So just snug them up, that's all you need. Putting this back on, all you have to do is just pop in the notch on your right, lean it over to the left until both pieces are clipped in, and just connect that. And you're done, y'all.